everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an Amazon favorites video, and it's going to be a lifestyle video. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys a lot of lifestyle products, things that I love purchasing from Amazon, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Paula. I make videos on beauty, fashion, home decor, lifestyle. So I hope that you'll hit that red subscribe button down below, and then you'll hit that notification bell. That way you're always notified on when I post a new video. So I love shopping on Amazon. I feel like you can get everything and anything on Amazon. I'm constantly on it, just checking to see what new things are out there. I love like the gadgets and also all the beauty and fashion things. So this video is going to focus more on like lifestyle things, so things for the house and just practical, functional things that I can use in my everyday life. And then I'll do a separate video talking more about like the beauty and the fashion items that I also love from Amazon. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm first going to start off with my favorite like tech things, so things for my iPhone, things like that. So the first thing is this iPhone holder, and this is so cute. This basically will hold your iPhone on here, so it'll go like this. So you basically can put your phone like this, or you can put it, have it hold it sideways like that. So it's perfect to have like on your desk, at work, or at home, or wherever. I like to have this on my desk at work and just have it on there in case, you know, I'm listening to music, or I just want to have it there in case I get a text or something. But I also like having it on my vanity because I love watching YouTube videos while I'm getting ready. So I will always just put my phone on there, and I'll usually have it like this on my vanity and just be watching the videos. And I just love this little thing. It comes in a lot of different colors. I got the rose gold one just to match everything else in my room. The little grips on here are perfect because they help your phone from sliding off. So I love this. I think this was only a couple dollars. I want to say it was like $10 or less. It's a really good little handy item to have. And I'm going to have a link to all the products I talk about today in the description box down below, so make sure to check that out. The next thing I want to talk about are phone cases. So I love switching up my phone case every now and then, and I love having like really cute ones, but ones that aren't going to break on me. So the one that I've had recently is this one right here, and it's just this really pretty like transparent floral case, and I love it because it came in a 3-pack. So basically this is the one I have on right now, but it also came with 2 other ones that look like this. They're very similar, but they're not the same. I'll bring them up close so you guys can see. But they're just like really pretty, really girly, and I love this little pack. So it came in these 3. So these 3 came in a pack, and I believe they were less than $20. I'll leave them down below. And I love them because they're kind of grippy. So they're silicone, so they're great because they're really stretchy and won't break on you. I've had similar cases like this that were just hard plastic, and those were such a pain because they were a pain to get off of your phone whenever you needed to take it off, and they were a pain to get it on your phone, and they cracked. So I decided just to stick with these silicone ones, and I'm loving it. I've had it for quite a while, for a couple months, and it's perfect. The only thing that I do want to say is that when I charge my phone at night, I do have to kind of lift up the bottom piece of it to have the charger fit, because if you have it on, since the silicone is a little bit bulky, it won't fit with the case on. So that's the only down part, but the great thing about it is that it's easy to take off and put it back on. So I love these. And talking about my iPhone, another thing that I love from Amazon are pop sockets. This is the one that I have on right now. It's a little scratched up, so I do need to get a new one, but it's lasted me for a long time. This is what it looks like. It was this rose gold. So next time I wouldn't get this type of material. I'll probably get a different design on it, but I wanted like the solid rose gold, and it was perfect. It's just that I just throw my phone in my purse all the time, and I always like lay it everywhere. So I love these pop sockets because they're so functional. I love them just to hold your phone, because as you guys know, iPhones can be kind of slippery and fall out of your hand. So these are perfect for like taking pictures or texting, or just having, you know, propped up on your desk. I used to solely rely on this pop socket whenever I was watching videos on my vanity, but now I love having it on that iPhone holder. But these work great as well. So yeah, so I love pop sockets. I got this one off of Amazon as well, and I'll link it down below. Okay, so the next iPhone gadget accessory is this card reader, and this is perfect for those of you who love to take photos and want to have them on the spot. This is perfect. This is literally me. So basically what you do is that if you're taking pictures on a professional camera, on a DSLR or something like that, what you do is you just take out the card from your camera, and then you insert it into here, and then you can plug it into your phone, and then you can automatically upload all your photos from your memory card to your phone in an instant, which is so great. I used to really rely on the Wi-Fi feature on my camera to get my photos onto my phone pretty quickly, but that wasn't as efficient. This does the job in an instant, so I definitely recommend getting one of these little things. I got this one off of Amazon. It's not from the Apple brand, but it works just as fine. I'll link it down below so you guys can check it out. Okay, so next I'm going to talk about just some kitchen appliances and just things for the kitchen. The first thing you might have already heard me talk about in my previous video, I think was my Black Friday video, is this really great electric kettle. This has been such a lifesaver. It's basically this little kettle from the brand Bodum, and all you do is literally fill it up with water, and then you just plug it in, and then you just turn the on switch on, and you wait for like a minute or less, and then it starts to boil water, and you instantly have hot water for tea, for coffee, for whatever you need. And I love this because it's just quick and instant, and it works great. The water is literally scorching hot, so it's awesome if you definitely need, you know, water really quickly. I love this little thing here. So I got this off of Amazon. I believe it was like $17.99. They have two different sizes. I got the 34-ounce one, so this one I think was a little bit more. I think this one was $21, and then they had another one that it's a little bit smaller that was $17. But I love this thing. It's perfect and has been very handy around the house. Okay, so something else that I always have on me is my Yeti. I've gotten so much use out of this Yeti because I literally take it with me everywhere. Every day at work, I refill it a couple times. At home, I refill it. I'm always constantly using this Yeti, and it's such a great buy because you can get these on Amazon. They're about the same price as they would be at another like sporting goods store, but they do the job. So I love these because they keep your water super cold for hours and hours, and that's what I use it for, to keep my water cold. But you could also have hot water in here or tea, and it'll also keep it very hot. So I've tried both. I usually will fill it up with ice in the morning and with water, and I'll take it with me to work, and the ice cubes are literally still intact hours after filling it up. So I love that about it. I also have used it with hot water and tea. The water has been super hot for hours as well. So I love these. I think I got the 30-ounce. I don't remember. Yeah, this is the 30-ounce tumbler. It's one of the bigger sizes, but I love it so much, so I'll link it down below. Okay, so something else that I love purchasing from Amazon are packing cubes, and they're these right here. So if you have seen one of my packing with me videos, you know that I love using these little things when I travel. If you haven't, I'll link it down below so you guys can check out that video. But these are so good. So these are by the brand Pro Packing Cubes, and they come in a set of 4. So so you get like the tiny little one, then you get like a little medium one, then you get a larger one, then you get like the big mama size one. So these have been so good. I love them because they make my suitcase look super, super neat. You can find everything very easily. So I love these little packing cubes. They're not very expensive at all. I think they were around $30 for the whole set, and I think that's great. It's a great investment because I know when I'm traveling, I always am like ruffling through my suitcase trying to find what I need, and then once I got these, I knew exactly, okay, I put that in this cube, I put this in this cube, and it's been perfect. So I have the pink ones for me, and then I also have a set of the gray ones for Ricardo. So these are perfect when we travel just because they're color coordinated and we know exactly where all of our stuff is. So these are such a lifesaver. I would definitely recommend them, and I'll link them down below. Okay, and the last two things that I want to share with you guys are home decor items. So one is a rug and another is a chair that I got off of Amazon. And the first thing I'll talk about is the rug. So I can't really show it to you guys here, but I'll insert a clip here so you guys can see what it looks like. So basically I was on the hunt for the perfect rug for this room here. So if you guys haven't seen my office tour video, I'll link it down below as well so you guys can see how I decorated this room. But one of the things I wanted was kind of like a statement rug to fill up the space in this room. So I had been looking everywhere. I actually bought one off of Wayfair. It came in totally different from what it looked like in the pictures. I hate when that happens because I had to send it back. And if you guys have ever shopped on Wayfair, you know that the return policy, it's good, but the thing is that they make you pay for shipping, so it kind of sucks. So the shipping was like $17 that I did not get back just because I returned it. So be very careful when you shop on Wayfair, just because you kind of have to be really sure of what you want, unless you just don't mind paying the shipping. But I personally did not like that. But anyway, so I had to return that. On the website it looked more like a light off-white color, and in person it was more of like a tan, like beigey dark color, and I did not like it, did not match. So I sent that back, and I was on the hunt. I didn't want to get something off of Wayfair again as a rug that, you know, I wasn't completely sure that I would like. So I was searching on Amazon, and I came to find out that a lot of the rugs that were on the Wayfair website were also on Amazon, which was crazy. But anyway, so I kept looking, and I had seen some of the similar ones, and then I came across this one, and I just completely fell in love with it and the price. So I found that a lot of rugs are a lot more affordable on Amazon, and I found this one. I think it was $80 with plus tax. It came out to like $95, which is great. If you have ever purchased a rug, you know rugs can be expensive. So this was a great piece for me for this room. So I just wanted to share with you guys because I did get it off of Amazon. And then the other thing that I also got off of Amazon was my acrylic chair for my little vanity area in my office room. And I love those chairs. I had seen them all over the place, and I really wanted to get my hands on one that wasn't too crazy expensive. And I found the perfect one on Amazon, so I'll also link that down below. And I'll insert a clip here so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, so those were all my lifestyle Amazon favorites of the moment. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Make sure to check the description box down below for all of the links, and also let me know what you guys love to buy on Amazon. I would love to know because I'm always on there looking for new products and new things to try out. Also, I will be doing another video of these showing you guys more of my favorite beauty and fashion items as well. So make sure to stick around for that. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys like these type of videos, and make sure to subscribe. That way you don't miss an upcoming video. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Remember, you're all beautifully and wonderfully made, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.